Bonjour et bienvenue sur Speak French avec moi. Je suis Séverine, votre French coach. Hello and welcome to Speak French avec moi. I am Séverine, your French coach. And this podcast is dedicated to travelers and beginners. Be more than a tourist with Speak French avec moi. Today, let's talk about interrogative pronouns, words like when, which, why. You will find the transcript on my website, speakfrenchavecmoi.com. One more thing, check my Facebook page for more inspiring content to prep travel to France. Are you ready? I'm about to speak French. Now let's practice and learn about interrogative pronouns. Most of them start with que in French. When you see the two letters Q and U together, then you make the sound que or K, the same sound as the letter K. When you read a menu or sign and when you see the letters Q and U together, then you have to pronounce like a K, make the sound que. Let's start with quand. Q-U-A-N-D. It means when. Remember, Q-U makes the sound K. En is a semi-vowel with your mouth open. En. And you don't pronounce consonant at the end of French words. Quand. Quand. And remember, it means when. Quoi. Q-U-O-I. Q-U-O-I means what. Remember, Q-U makes the sound K, and O-I makes the sound wa, like in what. Quoi. Quoi. Quoi means what in French. Quoi is used only in spoken French and used only with the grammar structure subject plus verb plus quoi. For example, what are you doing will translate into tu fais quoi. In French, we said you are doing what. What are you doing? Tu fais quoi? Pourquoi means why. We know that ou in pour makes the sound ou, like in book. And QU makes the sound que. And OI makes the sound wa. Pourquoi? 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 Pourquoi means why. Qui. Qui means who. QU makes the sound que, and the letter I in French makes the sound I. I. Qui. Qui. Qui means who. Quel. Q-U-E-L means which. Q-U makes the sound K, and E-L makes the sound L. Quel. 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 It means which. And to finish, let's practice how to say que in French. QU makes the sound que, and the letter E in French makes the same sound as away or about. Que. Que. Que is used in a question with the grammar structure que plus verb plus subject and means what. I just told you before that quoi means what in spoken French. Que means the same, except that we use que in a more formal way, in a more written French. So what are you doing? In a more formal way, translates into que fais-tu? It really means what are you doing? Que plus subject plus verb. Remember, in French, we don't have any pronouns making the sound que. This is Spanish. We don't say que, we said que, the schwa sound. Que, same sound as away or about. I will later publish an episode on making questions in French. It's very important, it's very different. Voilà, c'est la fin de notre leçon. Now you know that QU makes the sound que in French, and you know how to pronounce and use quand, quoi, pourquoi, qui, quel, and que in French. Thank you again for listening to my podcast. Merci. Au revoir. À bientôt.